Good morning, class. Welcome back. Today is Monday, the first day of the week. I'm excited to have you all here this morning. Last week, we started talking about jobs, or things that people do for work. Does anybody remember some that we talked about last week? Yes. Pilot, exactly. Someone who flies an airplane. Anybody else? Yes. Teacher, exactly. Like me, I am a teacher. Today, we're going to continue talking about jobs. Could everyone please turn in their workbooks to page 14? And we're going to start there today. All right, now that you're all here, we're going to look at this first exercise. And we're going to go over some of the types of jobs that we learned about. So if you look at the picture, the first picture there is someone who's wearing a nice white outfit, has a stethoscope, and looks like they might be there to help people. What do you think this is? Can someone tell me what job this is? That's right, a doctor. Good. So basically, I want everyone to look at each of the pictures and decide, based on the corresponding words next to the pictures, which job each of these represents. And I'll give you about 2 minutes to do that, and then when you're finished, just go ahead and put your pencil down, and I'll know that you're done. Well, it looks like everybody's done, so we're going to go ahead and go over the answers to the pictures. So we said that the first one was a doctor. Does anybody know the answer to number 2? Yes. Exactly. The answer is teacher. Again, I'm a teacher. This guy, not as good a teacher as me. The third one here, does anybody know the answer to the third one? Yes, a pilot. The third one is a pilot. Good job. And the fourth picture? Yes, police officer. Exactly. Good job, guys. All right, so we're going to turn the page to page 15, and we're going to look at a couple more examples to help you guys with the different types of jobs. So this one is pictures of places. So you're going to look at the picture and decide what the type of place is in the picture. So for example, the first one. What does this look like here? Can somebody tell me? Yes, police station, exactly. So go ahead and look at the other three. It take about 2 minutes to write down your answers to what each of these places are. Good job. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go over the answers to these questions. Number 2. Can anybody tell me what number 2 is? Exactly. School. Number 2 is a school. Number 3? Exactly. Number 3 is an airport. Good job. Good job. And number 4? Exactly. Hospital. Perfect. And now, can someone tell me who works in a hospital? Exactly. A doctor. A doctor. Good job. And who works in an airport? Yes, a pilot. They fly planes from the airport. Good job. Okay, I think everybody understands the places. Let's go ahead and move to the next section. So this is pictures of things that people do in their jobs. So you might have, we talked about pilots and teachers and doctors. Well, here's a picture of something that they do as a pilot or a teacher or a doctor. So if you look at the first one, what is that? Is that, right, a doctor. So what does a doctor do? Yes, a doctor helps sick people. Good job. So basically, you're going to do the same thing for the other 3 on here. And again, I'll give you about 2 minutes. And when you're done, go ahead and put your pencils down and we can go over the answers. Good job. Okay, looks like everybody's done. We'll go ahead and go over the answers. We said that the first one was a doctor who helps sick people. So if we're looking at the second one here, can somebody tell me what that is? First off, it is a teacher. And what does a teacher do? Good, good. A teacher teaches students. Good. Kind of like I'm doing now. I'm the teacher, and you are the students. Good job. The third one there, can someone tell me the answer to this question? Yes, that is a police officer. And what does the police officer do? Perfect. Good job. they catch thieves or people who commit crimes. Someone said bad guys, people that go against the law. Exactly. Okay. And then the last one there, who is in the picture? Good, pilots. And what do pilots do? They fly planes. Good job, guys. All right. We turn the page to page 16. We're going to go ahead and look at some more examples, and we're going to talk about how you would describe a person who works at a certain kind of job. So if you look at this picture here, how would you describe what that person does? So she's a veterinarian or a vet. So how would we say what she does for work? Yes, she's a vet, exactly. So the next one there, you have to decide, is it a man or a woman? So for the first one, you would say she, because it's a woman. And the second one, what's the person in the picture? Someone who's right, a scientist, exactly. So how would you say that? He's a scientist. Perfect. Good job. Okay. So if we go to the next one here, I want you to go ahead and partner up, and we can do groups of 3 here, here, and then the 4 of you in the back. That'll be good. And then guys, get together, and we're going to look at these, and I want you to ask the question to your partner. So basically, I would look over here, and I would say, what does a baker do? And then your partner would say some things that a baker does. So can someone give me an example? Yes. Good. A baker bakes bread. A baker cooks. A baker sells bread. Good job. All really good answers. So if you guys get the idea, go ahead and do that. Do the next one on there. And then the following question, there's some more questions that you're going to ask. And this is going to say, where do you work? And we talked about that last week, talking about the different locations that people work. So again, in the groups, and I want, if someone doesn't understand, you can help each other out and ask each other the questions, and then we'll go over them in a minute. All right? Great. So we just finished going over all the answers to those questions. Did anybody have any other questions or having trouble understanding? Okay, everybody's got a pretty good grasp of everything. Perfect. Good. You guys are doing so good. You're really learning this quickly, and I like the excitement that I see in you guys while you're working in your group. So good job. All right. We're going to flip to the very last page. We're going to do some of the other pages later, but we'll go to the last one here. So, does anybody know what this is? You have one in your books. It's on page 19. Yes, exactly. It's a chart. What's another word for it? It's another word for something that you eat. It's round, and you take a slice out of a pie, exactly. This is called a pie chart. And what it does is each of the different colors tell you what percentage or what portion of the students want a certain job. So this is asking, what do students want to be when they grow up? And so if you look at the red section here, 36% want to be pilots. That's a lot. A lot of you guys want to fly and explore new places. That's a great job to be when you grow up. Other ones, a lot of them want to be lawyers, so you can help people when they get in trouble or they need legal advice. But not very many of you want to be teachers. I don't know why. Teacher is a great job. Anyway, so I want you guys to talk about this amongst yourselves, and there's some questions down here that I want you guys to answer. And this is all vocabulary that we've gone over so you guys should be able to read and understand this year. And once you're done, we will go over the answers. All right, class. You guys did a great job today. I think everybody has a better understanding of different types of jobs and how to ask someone what their job is and how to tell them what you do in your job. So that's a good stopping point for today. We will pick up tomorrow, and we are going to be talking more in depth about some other jobs and also some ways of describing your dreams and your hopes for after you're done with school. Good job today.